Hello guys, I'm Nuno Ferreira from HowToStart Lab from Instituto Superior Técnico, and I'm here to show you the capabilities of a single board computer like this Raspberry Pi. We're gonna have lots of different tutorials, but on the video today we will be talking about how to turn this Raspberry Pi into a HomeAssistant, which is basically an IoT hub for all your IoT devices in your house.
So now I'm gonna show you why it is interesting to install the Home Assistant, because you might think that most IoT devices already have a way of being commanded, maybe through their own app, and some even offer integration with some timers or sensors from another brands. Usually, the main problem is that you are limited to simple connections. For example, I illustrated in this dry I/O diagram that illustrates your home network, which is everything that's connected to your home router. For example, you can have a temperature sensor, an IoT enabled fan, electric blinds that you want to control, a Philips Hue lamp which is really popular, or you have the equivalent Xiaomi lamp, a smart plug that you want to control, or maybe you want to do something with your sprinkler system. But every single one of these usually speaks a different language, in case they are not from the same manufacturer. For example, if you buy everything for Xiaomi, they can talk to each other alright, but what if you want to buy equipment from different brands? That's when all these start talking different languages and the integration becomes more difficult. This is where the Home Assistant comes in. Basically, you install this inside your Raspberry Pi in your network, and then this becomes the main thing that your entire network revolves around, because everything talks to the Home Assistant, and the Home Assistant can act as a translator between different kinds of sensors, because maybe you want to do something when the lights are on. For example, you want to turn on your fan after a certain temperature, but only if the lights in that room are on, because then it means there's someone in that room. It allows for a much better control of all devices in your own network. That's why it's really interesting to have this Home Assistant in your Raspberry Pi. On the next video we will show you how to install the Home Assistant.